everyone, welcome to Study Extraordinary. WHO studies have shown 1 in 5 people in India suffer from some or the other mental disorder, depression being the most common. Suicide has become one of the major reasons of death between the age group of 15 to 24 years. The Psychiatry Society of India has conducted research that has shown that there has been an increase of 20% in the cases of mental illness after the outbreak of the coronavirus. Truly, this span of 3 to 5 months has been quite stressful, adding to worry and anxiety about how this pandemic is going to end and what will be our future. I know coping up with this situation can be very difficult because we have never experienced this before. But here I am with 7 steps that have helped me improve my mental health. So let's start. Starting with the first and the most important, talk. Talk to someone from family or friends, someone you can open up to, and I'm sure talking will help you feel lighter. Apart from all the health benefits of drinking 2 to 3 liters of water in a day, studies have shown that the people who are dehydrated have higher cortisol levels, which make up coping with the everyday task difficult. So please be hydrated because it will help you keep happy. As cliche as it sounds, but thinking of all the blessings that you have will help you calm down instantly. The easiest way to practice gratitude is before sleeping every night, just think of 3 things that have helped you keep happy that day, and I'm sure you will find more. I know each one of us has become very lazy and might have gained some extra pounds in this lockdown. But exercising is not just for your physical appearance or health. In fact, a small workout of even 10 minutes can help you elevate your mood, increase your activeness, and reduce your stress hormone. Sitting home all day, watching the same surroundings and using the same things has added to the monotony of the situation. Try changing the setting of your room, or changing your bed sheets to the new ones, or rearranging your almirah, or do anything that you don't do generally. This will definitely contribute to your satisfaction. There's always a long lost list of things, hobbies or skills that we think of developing. So here is the time to do that. I'm sure this will not only give you happiness, but also you will find some or the other hidden talent of yours. Last but not the least, believe in a supreme power. May that be God or any other source of positivity. Believe me, it works. It worked for me and it will definitely work for you. All you need to understand is that if you believe in the power of your efforts, you are definitely going to achieve what you desire. So I think all these tips will definitely be helpful for you as well. So please make sure to try them out, and if they work, definitely leave a comment. I'll be really happy to see some great results. Also make sure to like this video, share it with your friends so that everyone can be benefited from it. Thank you. Bye.